Hey Riches gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a chained hip jeans. These jeans are super easy to make. I had these Versace jeans that was just sitting in my closet because they couldn't fit, and best believe I made them fit because you know they're $900 jeans. Well, retail price. I didn't pay $900 for that. But yeah, I'll get into that in the video. So talking about the video, let's get right into it. You already know, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, let's get right into it. So I'm here at Hobby Lobby and I'm getting the chains for the jeans. So I think I'm going to go, maybe this one, you guys, because it's long enough and it comes with this. But I don't think so. Ooh, should I do it different and put pearls? Nah. Yeah, I think I might go with something like this. Yeah, I might go with this. Cause thing is, yeah, I'm gonna go with silver, not gold, even though I love me some gold. Okay, so we're going with this. Ooh, hopefully I get a coupon. So before I start designing, I have to stop and walk diamond real quick. So yeah, I'll be back soon. Alright you guys, so this video is going to be super easy, I can tell. Hopefully I didn't jinx it. But yeah, so what you're going to need is your jeans. Now, this is a pair of Versace jeans. Ooh, fancy. I actually got it from the thrift store. Thank you to that rich woman that decided to donate some Versace jeans. Shout out to you. And this is the chain that I got from Hobby Lobby. Come to find out, it was 50% off, so I did get a little discount. And I am going to use some scissors, and this right here is a sewing cutting tool. And I also have a shirt over here because I wanted to do like a matching chain shirt. Can't even talk. But I wanted to do a matching chain shirt. So let me work on the pants first and then I'll go on to the shirt. Now first, what you want to do is try it on and mark how long you want it. Now the reason why I picked these jeans is because it doesn't fit. And they're Versace jeans. I'm not gonna be like that lady and give it back to the thrift store. I'm gonna make it work and I'm gonna make it fit me, okay? So this why this DIY is best for these jeans. So I'm about to try it on to see where it stops on me, to see where I need to open up on the sides, and I'll be back. Okay, so remember when I said shout out to that rich woman that donate these Versace jeans? Yeah, they're men pants and they're very tiny. Oh no, look what I did. It's okay, I'll wash it off. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mark it over here because it cannot go up my butt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it as low as here. Now I'm gonna go in and mark exactly where I want to put the holes. So kind of want it, I don't want it too spaced out. So I could eyeball it because you know I've been designing for a very long time. But what you want to do is at least, I'm doing 1.5 inches. So go ahead and just figure out how wide you want it. Now what I'm gonna go in and do is start cutting down the line. You know, I don't wanna get my Versace sign. Like I said, this is from the thrift store, so I'm gonna bedazzle this. Just don't worry, y'all, I'm gonna hook this up. going to go and put some buttonholes in it to make it, you know, neater or whatever. And I'm just like, you know what, this is a DIY project. Why am I doing all of that? So I just went ahead and just sew it so it won't have like that rough edge. And I'm gonna go in, make some holes with this. Please be careful whatever sharp object you're using, because like this one right here is extremely, you see how sharp it is? So pretty much poking a hole and letting it go in. I don't have to make that hole, the hole that big, because the chains are not that wide. So I'm gonna continue doing this. And then I'm gonna start looping in the chain after. Is that a word? Looping in? Looping? Putting? Yeah. Chain and loop it. You would just pretty much, you want to lace it like a shoelace. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in here. I'll probably get a bobby pin because it's gonna be easier for bobby pin. Yeah, for some odd reason, all my bobby pins was like extremely huge. So we're going to use this bobby pin. Not bobby pin, what am I talking about? We're gonna use this paper clip. Man, it's been a long day for me. So we're just gonna take it and put it in the hole that we created. Hopefully this works out as planned. Y'all cross your fingers. It's almost in. Oh, it got caught in a bobby pin. Well, I don't need that, so. All right, there we go. It works. All right, so I'm gonna continue putting this in like this. So it's gonna be kind of like a shoelace, so you want to go ahead and just do one side and then do the other side. So I decided to bedazzle this part. Remember I told you it was a mess, so I had some sticky rhinestones and I just stick it on here. So yeah, now it's looking fabulous. Now on to the shirt. So this was a shirt I had cut to make a tube top, but I am going to cut it some more because I want it to be a short tube top. And then I'm gonna cut in the middle and then sew. To make it easy, so we know the holes match up, since this is super light, I'm just gonna go in. So you want to get the chain. I'm not gonna do it too long because I don't want it to be too loose on me. So I think I'm just gonna do it like this way. So the way that I opened it was like this. I use these. This is my jewelry making stuff. This is the top. This is so super easy. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you find it useful. You guys should definitely try it. It's super easy. As you can see, I made a matching top. And yeah, this is it. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you in my next video. And I love you so much, Riches Gang. Mwah.